Okay, so this is question 4a. When y varies directly as the square of x, the variation equation is written as y is equal to kx squared, where k is constant. Now, given that y is equal to 50 when x is equal to 10, find the value of k. So this is given. So what is the solution? Now we are given y varies directly as the square of x. The variation is written as, it's already given. So y is equal to k times x squared is given. Now what we are going to do is put y is equal to 5, 0 and x is equal to 10 in the above. So 50 is equal to k times of x is equal to 10 squared. So this means 50 is equal to 10 k times 10 squared is 100. So a 0 and a 0 gets cancelled. So therefore 10k is equal to 5. So k is equal to 5 over 10. 5 divides here 2 times. So therefore k is equal to 1 over 2. Right? So you can simply write that down. The value of k is 1 over 2 and you box that result. So having got that, they are asking us next question. Calculate the value of y when x is equal to 30. Now we know that WKT stands for, we know that y is equal to k times x squared and k value is 1 over 2. So this means y is equal to x squared over 2. Since x is equal to 30, this means y is equal to 30 squared divided by 2, which is nothing but 30 multiplied with 30 divided by 2. 2 divides here 15 times. So you have 15 times 30 is equal to y. You multiply that, you get 450. Okay, so therefore you can state that when x is equal to 30, y value is 450. So that's the conclusion for this question. So having given that, so let me move on to the next question.